So this would be day 14, 15. Basically, the weather's been so hot, we haven't done much of anything. I kind of went shopping by myself with one of the kids. I took one of them with me. We spent the food budget, so that is done, but I'm not worried. We have food. Let's see, what did I do? I spent it on like sandwiches and sandwich meat and a few chips because the outside temperature has been 102, 103 where I'm at right now. So it just made sense to do cooler things and not have to use it. Tomorrow I will be making just some of the rest of the meals that I have. It's been too hot for bread, so I'm waiting for a good day, low humidity, at least for me, to make anything like that. So that's why I bought store-bought bread. Of all the breads I make, the one bread I can't seem to master is the sandwich bread. I've tried many different recipes, so we'll see. But I did go water the garden, and it was just peaceful with the birds and the sprinkler going. But there's not been much else going on, but hey, that is life. To me, it's good if there's not much going on. You're just living your day-to-day life. I hope you enjoy the sounds of nature as much as I do when I'm in the garden, just the watering and leaves, and that gives you some joy and some peace. And last but not least, these are the Midnight Hollyhocks. They are true to color. I'm so happy that I was able to grow them on accident. They came up from seed last year when I thought they were lost, so hope springs new.